Hello race fans, and welcome to another exciting freestyle here at Monsters Invade the Midway. We have got 6 trucks going freestyling here tonight in our lineup, and right now we're going to be taking a look at these trucks as they are staged in the pit area, and we're going to get to meet them here in just a second. Again, 6 trucks will be freestyling here tonight in competition, and here's how our field of trucks will break down. We're going to be taking a look at Blue Thunder, then Blue Ribbon Bandit. Also in our field is going to be Sudden Impact, Blown Thunder, the Gravedigger, and last but certainly not least, the all-new Barefoot added to our stable here on Monster Truck Mayhem. Now, to get us started here tonight inside of Freestyle, Blown Thunder is coming to the line, and we'll see what he's got to offer here in our freestyle competition. Going to come out now, up and over the pod, sets it back down. Again, we've got 3 judges in our lineup here tonight. Highest score you can achieve is a 30. So all judges are capable of voting 10 apiece for that subtotal of 30. So these guys are going to be clamoring for that position of number 1 here in freestyle. Blown Thunder now coming out, getting a little bit of air, satisfying the fans. We'll see what he's got. Looking for that real big wow factor. He's going to launch it up some sick air out of Blown Thunder, and he's going to ride out a nice wheel stand across the pod, gets himself in trouble, and drives out of it. An incredible job by Blown Thunder here tonight in our freestyle competition. That's going to earn some points with the judges. That truck seems to be nosing over fairly hard over these obstacles. Not sure if it's a suspension setup in that truck. Right now he's in trouble again, pulls himself out. What a nice piece of driving by Blown Thunder here tonight in freestyle. Couple of near misses right there from going all the way over. Again, there it is, nosing over hard, and pogos it off the front end for the Blown Thunder machine. Again, getting in those near misses, some incredible saves. Got to score high with the judges. Going to go into some Blown Thunder donuts now. Blasting through the RV, pokers it hard on the tailgate there. And Blown Thunder looking like he lines up for the not Morgan & Morgan backflip, nails it, slaps it on the rear end. Going to keep this freestyle alive for just a few more seconds. Back now over the box van, and Blown Thunder really doing a great job. Going to do a little cross thread over the pod. I mean, he's got everything you could possibly need in this freestyle run. Not too many two-wheel skills, but you don't really need them as much when he's putting on a performance like this. And that'll wrap it up for Blown Thunder in our freestyle. Let's take a look at these highlights. Some sick air out of Blown Thunder here tonight. And again, that truck was nosing over hard. Not sure if something was going on with that rear end setup, and he pulls out an incredible save up and over the pod. And then right here, he gets himself into a nice cross thread over that pod. Once again, good little jump off of that ramp, and he put down a solid freestyle performance. So we're going to send it over to our judges zone with a subtotal of 8, an 8, and a 9. And it's going to be a total of 25 for Blown Thunder. Off to a great start here tonight in our freestyle, and that's going to be a tough score to beat. But up next, all the way out of Pontoon Beach, Illinois, it's the return of Barefoot, the original Dodge Ram body from the early 90s before getting that iconic paint job. Is debuting right here on Monster Truck Mayhem. The truck looks sweet out here, doing some freestyle. Going to launch over the double right there, clears it, and Barefoot coming out with a lot of momentum early on in this freestyle. Going to blast through the RV, got himself into a little bit of trouble, going for the not Morgan & Morgan backflip, nails it down, tries to walk it out in the moonwalk and pulls it out. The Dodge Hemi horsepower really throwing down a spectacular run so far. Again, we're talking about the momentum that he's already carrying early on. Some big time air out of the Dodge. Look at that. Some sick air. And he's going to go over the pod now, finds himself in trouble, and he's able to get it out of it by just stabbing the throttle. He dug the front of that frame down into the dirt. What an incredible job by the Barefoot Dodge here so far. And again, we're talking about that momentum, the near misses when he's almost upside down. He clips the landing ramp that go around on that double jump right there. Trying to get himself set up for a moonwalk, unable to get that pogo that they're looking for out here in freestyle. One more time, up and over the van stack now, going to ride it out into a nice wheel stand. You just can't beat a classic slap wheel. He's in trouble on 2 wheels. He turns it over. Going to be a short run here for Barefoot. Not quite filling the clock, about 1:10 in here in his freestyle run. Let's go back and look at these highlights. Blasted through the RV. I thought he was going to roll over right here. Got himself into a little bit of trouble, but he's able to keep the Dodge right side up. Hits the not Morgan & Morgan backflip. Walks it out into an incredible moonwalk. Looking to plant that Dodge Hemi horsepower down. And then right here, he got himself into a little bit of trouble. Dug the front of that frame down into the dirt. But it was all over but the crying when it came down to this right here. He crossed up on that jump. I don't know if he was trying to spin it around to avoid the backflip, but it costed him a lot of time out here left on the clock as Barefoot turns it over. Heading over to our judges zone for Barefoot. We're going to round out scores with an 8, 7, and a 7, a total of 22. He's going to be 3 points shy of Blown Thunder here tonight. So Barefoot now in second place with only 4 trucks remaining in our freestyle competition. And up next out of Frackville, Pennsylvania, It's the debut of the all-new Sudden Impact out here on the Monster Truck Mayhem YouTube channel as he noses over the van stack, but he's going to get the double here. Nice smooth downside for Sudden Impact as he gets some major air up and over the backside of that backflip ramp. Sudden Impact really putting on a tear here at Monsters on the Midway, and Sudden Impact again trying to get that momentum going. He's doing a great job, got himself into a little bit of trouble off of that first jump on two wheels. Now he brings it around, an incredible save for Sudden Impact, back now over the backflip ramp. An incredible job so far in this freestyle run, got to be topped here right up there with Blown Thunder. And again, Barefoot was putting on a clinic as well, but he wrapped up the time just a little too short. We'll see if Sudden Impact is able to fill the time. Lines up for the not Morgan & Morgan backflip, nails it with success here. A smooth, clean backflip always gets a little bit more extra points in these freestyle competitions. And again, Sudden Impact really carrying out that momentum. We're going to launch it up one more time for some major air. He noses over hard, rides the flight wheelie, combos it up on the pod. An incredible job by the all-new Sudden Impact. And now we're going to lay into some donuts out here in the beginning of the track area. And Sudden Impact, this is going to be a tough score to beat if the judges do justice by it. And Sudden Impact is just putting out a clinic here at Monsters Invade the Midway on two wheels now, and it looks like he may be wrapping it up here with a couple of more hits. A nice leap over the pod, and yes indeed, that will wrap it up for the Sudden Impact Ford out of Frackville, Pennsylvania. Let's go back and check out these highlights. So many of them. Big time air over the backside of that not Morgan & Morgan backflip. See the suspension really going to work as he settles it down. An incredible save right here. He crossed up on that jump and was able to pull the rabbit out of the hat. Blasted through the barrels now, set up on top of that pod. And then our last highlight we're going to show you is when he lines up for the not Morgan & Morgan backflip. Look at the rotation. He turned the tires in midair, I guess to make sure it rotated, and indeed it did. Going over to our judges zone right now with a total score of 9, 8, and a 9 for 26. That is going to put Sudden Impact just 1 point ahead of Blown Thunder in our overall scores. And right now we are 3 trucks into tonight's freestyle competition. Here's how the scores are already laying out. Sudden Impact leading the way with 26. Blown Thunder right behind him at 25. And then the Barefoot Dodge had an awesome run. Left a little bit of chunk of time on the clock. He wraps it up at 22. But we still got 3 trucks to go in our freestyle competition. As you can see, the Barefoot Dodge, he turned the truck over in freestyle. They've got the body off of that truck, doing a little bit of repairs to it before they load him up and head on into the next event. So the Barefoot Dodge team already at the lowest point in freestyle, but we still got 3 trucks to go. And right now we're taking a look at the Built Ford Tough Blue Thunder coming out here at Monsters Invade the Midway, blasted through the RV and pogos it hard on the rear. One time over the bus stack now in the far end of the track. Blue Thunder's already watched these guys compete. He knows what he's got to do to try to get a high score with these judges, and so far so good. He's made a lap around the track. He's in trouble, 2 wheels, and he turns it over right where he started, ladies and gentlemen. Blue Thunder on a fluke bounce, rocked up on 2 wheels, and I'm not sure if the dirt monster came up and bit him, put him on 2 wheels, and he rolled it over. Looking back at the highlights now, he pogos it on the rear end right out of the gate. Blasted through the RV. Right here, he crossed up over that pipe jump, puts it on 2 wheels, had nowhere to go. He tried to turn into it and save it, and upside down he goes. It was short, but it was sweet. Blue Thunder's not going to have a great score out here tonight. A 3, 3, and one more 3 for Blue Thunder. It's going to be a total of 9 out of all 3 judges. A tough break for the Built Ford Tough Camp, but he will be back next time on Monster Truck Mayhem. Moving right along in freestyle. Next up is going to be the Blue Ribbon Bandit, one of Tony Farrell's old trucks. Alongside, so was the Blue Thunder Machine. But this is what Tony Farrell started out with and what will become known as Wild Thing years later. Some major air, a hard bounce on the landing ramp. He front flips the truck. What an incredible leap. I'm not sure if that was a makeshift kahuna flip or what. Kind of knocked his bearings loose a little bit. He got to shut the truck off, or the officials did. Blasted through the RV now. Blue Ribbon Bandit laying down a barn burner here. Monster Truck Mayhem freestyle. Pogos it hard on the rear. An incredible job keeping the momentum up. We got to go back and check out what he just did. Up and over that double jump right there. Blue Ribbon Bandit putting on a performance here at Monsters Invade the Midway. Clears the gap that time. And Blue Ribbon Bandit just performing on all cylinders. Big time air once again. Lands it flat and hard on all 4 tires. Gonna try to stand it up. Gets a slight moonwalk out of it. Right over here in our freestyle competition. Back now on a bicycle. Just clipping the side of that van stack. The Blue Ribbon Bandit putting on a stellar performance here. And he's trying to set it up for a moonwalk. Just unable to get it up so far as he continues on in his freestyle run. Carrying a lot of great momentum. The not Morgan & Morgan backflip for the second time. Pulls out a nice moonwalk with it. He finally got it here in his freestyle competition. Back now up and over the bus stack. The Blue Ribbon Bandit on 2 wheels puts it on the wall. And he brought it back down. He is actually burning this place down right now. Some more big-time air. The third leap over the backflip ramp gets himself in trouble, and he brings it back down, and that will shut down the freestyle time. He has put on a clinic here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this air by the Blue Ribbon Bandit. And then right here, he clips the back end of that downside, flipping the truck end over end. They shut him off for a brief second, but he fired it back up. Another nice shot right here on the not Morgan & Morgan backflip. Pogo's hard on the rear into a nice moonwalk, walks it out halfway across the arena floor, and then right here, up and over the not Morgan & Morgan backflip. Once again, major air out of the Blue Ribbon Bandit. Got himself into a little bit of trouble. A little harem scare him, but he got the job done. Right now, we're in the judges' zone with a 9, 9, and a 10. A total of 29 for the Blue Ribbon Bandit, and we still got one more truck to go. I think you guys know what it is. Gravedigger number 14 now staged in the pit area, and here comes the Gravedigger, the 1950 Chevy panel van out of Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. We'll see if he can outdo what the Blue Ribbon Bandit just did as he took the lead in that last performance. Nice job clearing the gap right there for the Gravedigger. Up and over the van stack now. This is a brand new truck that is debuting out here at Monsters Invade the Midway. A beautiful looking truck. Rides at a nice slap wheelie and lands the not Morgan & Morgan backflip. The Gravedigger number 14 is absolutely burning it down so far. About 40 seconds into his freestyle run, he saw what Blue Ribbon Bandit did in Blown Thunder earlier tonight. The Gravedigger's in trouble. He pulls it out. What a save by the Gravedigger. That was absolutely incredible. Hits the butt stack. He's in trouble. Oh, my word. Not sure what that was, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe a lucky roll off of that butt stack. He kind of checked up right there. The officials looked over the truck for a brief second. He is good to go. Just a bad bounce off of that butt stack right there. And hey, you know what? It's a video game. It happens. Nonetheless, Gravedigger out here laying down a clinic. Going to go back over the buses one more time. Heavy on the nose. And he brings it back down. Gravedigger saw what Blue Ribbon Bandit did earlier tonight. Saw more sick air out of the Gravedigger. Lands it hard on the downside. Got himself in trouble. Going to cross up the pod now through the barrels. And this is probably the best performance out of a Gravedigger we've seen in freestyle on this channel overall. Gravedigger number 14 lines up again for the not Morgan & Morgan backflip. Gets a little cattywampus, but keeps it right side up, and he's going to stop it right there on the pipe jump. The Gravedigger has burned it down here at Monsters Invade the Midway. Looking back at these highlights, look at this right here. He blasts through the RV, gets a nice little slap wheelie going on, lines up for the not Morgan & Morgan backflip, and excellent execution right there for the Gravedigger. Looking at this save right there, he clipped the RV, hard side slap, has the knowledge to stick the pedal to the metal and pull that truck out. An incredible save. However, he might have got a little lucky right there. The horseshoe was riding with the Gravedigger as he took a wild, awkward bounce over that butt stack. But look at the air on the backside of the backflip ramp. Huge leap for Gravedigger 14. Hard landing on the downside. Keeps it under control and then subs it right into a cross thread up and over the pod here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. No donuts, no two-wheel skills, but the Gravedigger had a solid run. Let's see what the judges zone has to say for the Gravedigger. A 10, a 9, and a 9. It's going to be 1 point short of the lead, and it's going to be a 28 for Team Gravedigger. As we take a look at the overall point standings, your winner is going to be the Blue Ribbon Bandit with 29 points. Right behind him, Gravedigger with 28, Sudden Impact with 26, Blown Thunder with 25, Barefoot with a 22, and last but certainly not least, Blue Thunder with just 9 points, who has run cut very short out here in our freestyle competition. But nonetheless, your winner in tonight's freestyle. Give it up for the Blue Ribbon Bandit. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for the support of this brand new channel. We hope you're enjoying the content here with the Monster Truck Destruction video game in our new series here on Monster Truck Mayhem. Thank you guys so much. Be sure to like this video and always crush that subscribe button, and I'll catch you down the road.